Alright, this video is going to be a quick unboxing of this Graco TrueCoat True Airless 360 VSP, variable speed, and we're going to show you what's inside the box. I'll likely do a demo later down the road, but this one's just going to be showing what you actually get inside the box. So little carrying case, I like that. And here it is, super simple. The actual gun. It's like a couple different liners here. It comes with 4. Got a replacement part, it looks like, to the top piece, little stand, holster for the wall maybe, and a big old instruction booklet. Pretty simple, I like that. Reversible spray tips, that can come off. And we got another spray tip here. It looks like it comes with 2 different spray tips. That's reusable. And this we just excuse me. Twist on like that. Easy enough. And this is the Graco TrueCoat 360 True Airless, the VSP version, which has the variable speed there.